delete columns to make sorted. So this is a simple problem, right? Let's take some examples and understand it. What they are asking, they are just asking us to return the number of columns that need to be deleted. First, let's understand what a column means. Let's take this example: ABC, BCE, CAE, ABC, ABC, BCE, right? CAE, right? They are asking that to take the column, right? So we are given with some strings. All the strings are of equal length. Okay. Now take the first column and also take the second column and also take the third column, right? You're just taking the columns. Now if you see A, B, C, this is the original one, and this I am writing the sorted one here below this. B, C, A, C, E, E, I think so, right? Okay. B, C, A, C, E, E, right? Now this is the original one. Now if I sort this string, especially ABC, I'll get ABC itself. Okay. Now BCA, if I sort it, I would get it as ABC. They aren't equal. That's what the column which I need to delete. So I just increment my count here plus 1. Now if you see CEE, if I just sort it, I'll get CEE. Should I have to increment the count? No, not necessary. Let's take another example: CBA, DAF, GHI, CBA, DAF, GHI, DAF, GHI. Now take columns again. Take this column, this, and then this. Write it. Just write it. Now CDG, BAH, AFI. The normal one is this, or the original one is this. Now let us take what is the sorted one actually. Now if I just sort it, C and then D, these are in alphabetical order. So the sorted will also be CDG. Now BAH, A will come before B, right? So A, B, H is the correct order. I'll just increment the count. This column needs to be deleted. That's what the question actually asks for. AFI, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So AFI is the correct sequence. Now if you see what is the count here, just one. Here, just one plus one, right? Only one. Now if I just take the third one, ZYX, WVU, TSR, ZYX, ZYX, X, WVU, TSR, WVU, TSR. Let us take these three columns. First, ZX, ZWT, YV. So the original and the sorted, right? So the original is ZWT, YVS, XUR. Now if you see this MNOPQRST, UVWXYZ, they both aren't equal. So plus 1. MNOPQRST, STUV, right? SV and then Y plus 1. Now U PQRSTU, right? R, U, and then X plus 1. So totally the count will be 3. We'll just return 3. That's it. But the problem is, how can we write the algorithm for this? We are going to take this instance 0, 1, 2. So what I'll do, I'll just store this in a vector of strings, right? So I'll just make vector of string and name it as columns. That's what I'm taking, columns, right? So what I'll do, I'll just go through every string. This is the string I got. If you see, this is the original string. zyx is the string which I have given with. So what I'll do, I'll just go with every string. For string s in, what is the given as the input is just strings. Now for int I is equal to 0, I is less than s dot size I plus plus. Now if you see at 0, I will push that back into string of 0 right here, 0 1 2. I'll push back into the string 0, right? So if I just make like this, first 0 1 2, I'll just have z w t y v s x u r like this. So in strings columns of 0, I'll push this back. But if you see how many what is the size of this? 3, right? It is nothing but the size of, you know, the first string in the strings, right? So I'll just initialize the columns with, what is the size? Strings of 0 dot size, and the string, every string will be empty. Okay. Now, every time I'll just have columns of I dot push back. The current character is S of I. That's it. I'm just having all the strings now. You just need to do a dry run to understand this. And I think it's not even that much complex, right? So I have these strings now in columns. In columns, I have these strings. I just need to sort it, and we need to know if the sorted is not equal to the original one. So if it is not equal, we'll just increment the count. But before, let us initialize count is equal to 0. So for string s in columns, let us just take string temp is equal to s. I'll just sort it, right? Sort temp dot begin comma temp dot end, temp dot end. Sorry for this handwriting. So if temp is not equal to, the sorted one is not equal to the original one, we'll just increment the count, and in the last we'll just return the count. That's how you solve this problem. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.